Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Ybor City and I just had a really nice meal at this Greek place, Acropolis, behind me. I'll show you what that looks like, and I'm gonna walk off some of this food and walk down the street and see what's going on Friday night around 10:30, 11 o'clock in Ybor City. So this is the Acropolis Greek Taverna. I just ate here. And they have a live belly dancer and everything. So food was really good. I'll cut to that now so you can see what that looks like. Comes with a nice Greek salad. Pork souvlaki platter, looks really good. We've got some feta cheese there, tzatziki, ketchup, and 2 shish kebabs, or kamakya. Looks really good. So yeah, that place is really good. It's supposed to be Greek, but it's kind of a fusion of Greek and maybe like some Middle Eastern, because they have things like hummus and things like that that are not really Greek. So it's kind of a combination of the two, and it is a really good combination. And that place is really busy, and the service is good, the food is good. So I'd definitely come back there. There's another location in St. Petersburg that I've been to before. Not sure if they have more. I think this is karaoke night over here. These girls selling electronic flowers. This place is pretty busy right here. Outside bar. It's a nice night out here. It was a warm day. It's probably 85 today in the daytime. So right now it's probably like 76 or something like that. Got these cigar bars over here. Wow, a lot of these outside bars. So Ybor City had a lot of cigar makers back in the days, in the early 1900s or something, so there's still a few of these cigar shops left. And they're kind of like social clubs, and you know, this street was a lot of mafia and all that kind of stuff back in the days. It's weird because it doesn't look like there's a lot of traffic, car traffic. Usually, last time I was here there was a lot more. I don't know if because they close off the streets. It's like country singer. Southern Belle. Wow. Got a mechanical horse and everything. got the clubs out here. And these people are waiting to get into this place, long line. And a lot of young college age kind of girls online here. And I don't know what kind of club this is, but camera shy. Wow. So I don't know what that girl was thinking. She is standing out on the street in whatever that, you know, uniform that she's in. But when I came by with the camera, all of a sudden she wanted to hide out, like as if, I don't know, nobody else is gonna see her or something. I don't know. Strange. Another cigar place. There's a lot of cops out here, I'll tell you that. More than I remember last time I was here. Like I said, it looks like the side streets are closed off, so not a lot of car traffic here because of that. And now there's signs saying no cruising allowed or something like that. So they don't want people coming up and down here showcasing their cars and just cruising, I guess. More cigars. So I don't smoke cigars, but I like this kind of, you know, you just get to sit here and watch the people go by. You don't have to go into the bar and, you know, be up at the bar or whatever. You could just chill and relax, have a cigar or a drink or something like that. Man, another cigar place. I don't remember this many cigar places. But there they are, working on them cigars. Another club, ETL. I don't know what that means. Club. So this is kind of the end of it here, or at least, you know, the big crowds and all of that. So let's go down the other side and see what's going on that side of the street. Copper Shaker. This looks like a pretty nice upscale kind of, I don't know, bar, club, lounge. It seems to me like there's a lot more clubs than there was the last time I was here, like a year ago. Still got the pizza by the slice place over here. It's pretty good pizza. I've had it. And if I didn't just eat a whole bunch of Greek food at Acropolis, I would be definitely getting me a pepperoni slice right now. Man. So this looks like a nice dive bar with pool tables and all of that. So that's that to me looks like a nice hangout to go in there, get a beer, and play some pool. What is this place? Coffee? Not a lot of people drinking coffee on Friday night, I guess. It's like a weed shop, head shop. So it definitely has a different vibe here now because of no cars or very little cars. I mean, the sidewalks are still crowded, but it just definitely has a different vibe now. You got a live band up there. Another pizza place here that says they're the best. They're doing a bang-up business at almost 11 o'clock at night. But all eyes are on this place over here. I mean, you got the girls out front in skimpy outfits. You got a whole bunch of people lined up here. You got this guy getting smacked by some girl. Yeah, so quite a scene over here. You got this girl, I don't know what she's doing, but she looks like she's having a good time. So these places are real popular here. Show bar, the patio show bar, Prana, draws big crowds of people waiting to get in. So definitely probably the most popular places here. You got the girls with the engagement party or whatever, bachelorette party. We got this guy with a mobile smoke shop or something. Got a hookah bar.
It's right there.
Big Easy, like New Orleans style. Nice lights inside with Jack Daniels bottles hanging from the ceiling. White Lie. And if you don't have enough tattoos for the night, you can stop in here before you go to the club or whatever and get a few more. You got the Coyote Ugly Bar, like the movie. This place has been here a while, and these girls are going nuts on the bar up here. Sure there's a girl or two that falls off the bar every night when they're doing that. lot of them. It used to be there was a whole bunch of them lined up. Now it's just like a handful. So it was really, I don't know, it was almost like a car and bike show on a Friday or Saturday night down here when, you know, the cars and motorcycles were allowed to cruise by. Now a lot of that is gone, so I don't know how I feel about that. You know, it added to the ambiance of the place. Well, I don't know if you can use the word ambiance with Ybor City, but let's just say it added to the scene of the place. Another outside bar. Looks like a dance floor. And here is the Acropolis again, where I started. And apparently this place is open till like 1 o'clock. So if you want some late night food, definitely come over here. And just to give you an idea what the prices are, I was pretty pleasantly surprised. My souvlaki platter with the fries and that side salad with the feta cheese and all of that was like 18 bucks plus tax. So very reasonable place, especially out here on Ybor. So this is a nice looking place. You make your own gifts, like pottery and stuff. So this is kind of coming to the end of the busy part of the street. So guys, that's a look at what's going on in Ybor City on a Friday night. You're in the area, you want some good food or some drinks, or just to watch the show of all the different people that's down here. Definitely come check it out. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.